I can give you the names of those 10 people. They are just, now they were told your issue is now farmers. No, now your issue is migrants. So first you put out the warriors, right? Then you went hunting for people who had trouble. I said there will be trouble. Of course there would be trouble. You thought in COVID times there will be no trouble? There will be trouble. But to become an ambulance chaser, 1 minute. But to become an ambulance chaser, allow me to complete. But to become an ambulance chaser, to prey on people's misery, to spread false information, to try and communalize the climate, to spread fake news, and then to expect not to be caught. And I'll tell you, Kanchan Gupta, what these people are doing now. I'll end with this. Kanchan Gupta, I'll tell you what these people are doing now. One line I'll tell you. Because they are feeling very guilty now, that look here, because they are, Anirban, wait, one more line. They are feeling very guilty now because they are feeling that now the whole world is beginning to ask them questions and the whole migrant cart is flopped. You know what, Kanchan Gupta, they've started doing? They say, we will give some money. And you know how they are raising money? Some of them are going on the internet and saying, I've got a flower pot in my house, I will auction it, please take my flower pot, I will take it and you can buy testing kits with it. Some other people are saying, I've got a used couch in my drawing room, I will auction it, I'm a celebrity. If you earn 200, 300 rupees out of it, you can go and buy testing kits. It is so horrendous, unfeeling, unempathetic. It also smacks of a deep, super urban elitism, Kanchan Gupta. They look down upon migrants, they have used them, the card is flopped. Should they not retreat now? Should they continue? Should they continue?
There are two aspects to it. There are two aspects to it, and Anirban, please, you can come in after 2 minutes. Anirban, please. Anirban, please.
Anirban, 2 minutes.
To the people who have nothing.
Anirban, 2 minutes.
There are two aspects to it. One is what we are seeing, and as you have pointed out, there is a huge monetization of migrants' misery which is happening.
True.
You have individuals who are doing it. You have media houses which are doing it. And you have, I loosely call them brokers who are doing it.
Yeah.
So there is monetization of misery happening, and that is the ambulance chaser part of it. The second part, and which is really very sad, that at a time when political parties should have closed ranks and stood as one, whether the government has done well, done badly, not done anything at all this can be discussed on another day. But what they have done is that they have closed ranks to criticize the government, to pull down the government, to diminish the efforts of the government. This is a throwback, and I was in the PMO those days. This is a throwback to the manner in which Sonia Gandhi and the Congress responded when we were in the middle of the Kargil crisis. This is the manner in which the opposition reacted when we were in the middle of the Indian Airlines hijack, which happened. So this is the nature of politics in a country where
essentially